Hi, this is Michael from Material. You first need to know that when a Bitcoin wallet is created, the address is calculated after the private key. Therefore, this tutorial is about double checking that the address and the private key engraved on your Material wallet match. Be the first person to break the heat-sealed plastic bag. This guarantees that it has not been tampered with. Then check that the last digits of the address on the wallet match those printed on the plastic bag. Before moving forward, make sure to read our manual to learn the best security practices when you manage crypto. In this tutorial, we use Electrum as an example. Disconnect your device from the internet. Create a new wallet. Choose the option to import private keys. Type down all the characters of your private key. Create a strong password for your wallet. Click on the Addresses tab and realize that the address on the screen matches the one of your Material wallet. That guarantees that your private key matches your address and your funds will be withdrawn effortlessly. Once you are done with the verification process, do not forget to delete your wallet.